Um, the horizontal acceleration of a body under circular motion is v square upon r. Here v is the terminal speed and r is the horizontal curve radius. And the vertical acceleration is equal to the acceleration due to gravity. So g. Thus the net acceleration is root over ax square plus ag square. So that is root over v square upon r square plus g square. Take this as equation 1. So now the question asks us to find the tension in the muscle on both sides of her neck while she is sliding. So let us first calculate the acceleration of child while sliding, that is a equal to root over v square upon r whole square plus g square. Here the plunging terminal speed of the child is 5.7 meter per second. Horizontal curve of radius is 2.4 meter, and the acceleration due to gravity is all known. So we have a is equal to root over ax square plus ay square, that is v square upon r square plus g square. So we have v is 5.7 meter per second square upon r is 2.4 meter whole square plus 9.8 meter per second square. This is all under root over. This will be 16.7 meter per second square. Um, this is larger than g by a factor, so F is equal to A upon G. So A is 16.7, G is 9.8. There will be 1.71. So thus the tension in the muscle on both sides of her neck F is 55 Newton. Hence the tension in the muscle on both sides of her neck while she is sliding is F dash is Ff. We have 55 Newton multiplied by 1.71. That will be 93.8 Newton. This is the tension in the muscle on both sides of her neck while she is sliding.